Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Swelele 0, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by some other dogs. It's Gorky.
Hola Sibo, grand mangano.
Amnandi.
Upright mngano wami man. Long time no see man. Bafethu sila FNB Stadium bafethu mesopeke siwelele ne Chiefs.
Sure.
Amanike meswelele ne Chiefs bafethu, to be honest it was dull bafethu. Mina sneakers lento leyana man. Okay, ama fans ana expectations, but it shows ukuthi lento le ukuthi Chiefs ngabi no coach for isikhathi singaka. Affect a team. I mean the organization esamachita yazama individual to bring ama individual brilliance. You saw at least lapho nalapho amanye ama players ukuthi aphakamisa amasowisi, but izinto azihlangana ifani one bafethu ne indaba ye Chiefs. And then we're gonna move to igame Orlando Pirates, a game that was highly anticipated after it defeated Orlando Pirates away with CAF Champions League.
Sure.
Orlando Pirates last time I check I score it was leading Orlando Pirates, but the problem is bafethu MNSP Orlando Pirates ukuthi ucoach Orlando Pirates ngalekelela side leliana akana plan kahle masithi siyambheka uyangithola the way sithi akana plan, he's reliant on individual brilliance. I mean if umuntu mekane plan you would see ukuthi kune structure. We look at the coach ohambile coach Jose Rivero, umuntu mekane plan, you could see ukuthi Orlando Pirates was trying to imitate Real Madrid the way bayenza ngakhona izinto, but now you don't know ukuthi ucoach current ufuna imitate abani. And another thing mele sibheke ukuthi on Sunday, Orlando Pirates is going to be playing a second league at home. I don't think Orlando Pirates will be able to win that thing. Sibo ngakutshela Orlando Pirates inenkinga yokora ngama last minute. That thing yokora ngama last minute yabakhawathi. Yesterday they tried to go earlier on but one goal, which even namanje basalida ngayo igame yachaya, but they cannot score more goals. So it shows that there's a problem lapha ku Orlando Pirates. And I think going forward Orlando Pirates uzodlala amadraw amaningi. Back to Kaizer Chiefs because the stadium is Kaizer Chiefs. Ningakhalbalandile. I think ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs there's a lot of things fix bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs ana striker. In the striking department Kaizer Chiefs yaleka. I mean kumanje currently ubani iplayer ngathi who target man uyobakora lamagoli amaningi iyaleka that thing. I thought mina Kaizer Chiefs by ukuletha uNdlovu into the mix brought them instability. uNdlovu uye mina ngimbona ukuthi umuntu ongabalethela something Kaizer Chiefs in terms of midfield abanawo ama option, but the problem ku final third I build up emove, you can see this build up recycling, and umthetho namhlanje was very crucial. Umthetho wenze very crucial riding ball recovery. Umthetho namhlanje he was very important with game namhlanje. They're just missing that part. Umuntu ozohlanganisa iplay badly net ngithola they're missing someone that's going to finish at the front, but in the middle I think ukuthi kumthethwa kucele nakuNdlovu izinto zingalunga lapha, and then it's only about ukuthi bafixe phambili. That's the way ngibona ngakhona. And then go to iMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns second leg bashaya abantu 5 lena ngaphandle. I think ukuthi naku second leg is going to be smooth, but also na iMamelodi Sundowns there's still things they need to fix ku Mamelodi Sundowns. We saw a player fana no Nunes adlala no number 7 naye adlala ofikile manje. I combination yabo I think ukuthi right nakhona, but they still have to fix indaba yokudlala kuma number 10 position. That number 10 position needs to be occupied. I'm still saying Sibo namanje Sundowns needs a number 10 okwazi ukudribula. Yes uyakwazi ukuphasa uNunez. Yes simbonile kancane uTseke alidlala uTseke alithasha kamnandi. We need uTseke more. I think uTseke needs to get more game time. It's someone who lets up that X factor. I mean everyone odlalayo lapha yana ufuna ukuphasa, but uTseke uletha a little bit of magic. We saw Albamba Gibela. You need a little bit of magic ukuya phambili kuma Sundowns. I think that way is will improve. Ngiyabonga. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you Jayam. Yeah, well said.